Hello friends, warm welcome to all of you. Today we are going to learn lesson number 1.2. On to the summit, we reach the top. We have already seen this lesson is written by Tenzing Norgay, and Tenzing Norgay was the man who first scaled on the Mount Everest with his friend Edmund Hillary. Let us see the remaining part of the lesson. On to the summit, we reached the top. If there had been a difference of 1000 feet between us, then one could make the claim that he was the first. And there was a controversy about who was the first. And this controversy was among the people, but there was no controversy between Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary. Hence, he told the people frankly that if there had been a difference of 1000 feet between us, जवळपास 1000 फुटाचं जर अंतर असेल, then one could make the claim that he was the first. He was the first mean Edmund Hillary was the first, but there was no difference, so nobody can say that who was the first, and they know very well who was the first, but they have already cleared that they put their footsteps at the same time. But even then, only the man behind him could confirm the distance between the two of them. When they were climbing on the Mount Everest, only both of them know very well who was the first. But even then, only a man behind him could confirm the distance between the two of them. And the man who followed knows the difference between them. सो जो माणूस मागे राहतो त्यालाच ते माहीत राहते की अंतर किती शिल्लक राहिलेलं आहे. When we reached Kathmandu, we discovered a controversy had arisen, and hence they have to face the controversy of the people. When they reached the Kathmandu, they discovered that there was a controversy had arisen. लोकांमध्ये मतभेद निर्माण झाले. कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी मतभेद, लोकांचे मतभेद जे आहे ते मतभेद त्यांना ऐकायला मिळाले. We talked it over and they also discussed it over, and they talked Hillary, Colonel Hunt and I means the Tenzing Norgay, and they discussed about the controversy, and they said we agreed that all talk was childish. Childish means baalish. We agreed that all the talk among the people, the controversy among the people was childish. So we made a pact, and they made a pact. They made a contract, and त्यांनी pact म्हणजे एक करार केला, and each of us signed it in the office of the Prime Minister of Nepal, and they signed the pact in the office of the Prime Minister of Nepal. नेपाळच्या पंतप्रधानाच्या ऑफिसमध्ये, कार्यालयामध्ये त्यांनी करार केला. Each one signed his own statement and they signed their own statement, आणि स्वतःचे जे स्टेटमेंट आहे ते त्यांनी लिहिले, स्वतःची मतं जी आहे ती त्यांनी लिहिली. I have a copy of the Hillary statement which I carry in my pocket, and he had the copy of Hillary in his pocket. It reads Kathmandu, June 22nd, 1953, and this is the written copy which is signed by Edmund P. Hillary, and this is the copy which was in the pocket of Tenzing Norgay. On May 29th, Tenzing Sherpa and I left our high camp on Mount Everest for our attempt on the summit, and they were going to complete their mission on 29th of May, and they were together and they were climbing up the mountain. On May 29th, Tenzing Sherpa and I left our high camp on Mount Everest for our attempt on the summit, and they were trying their level best to climb up on the summit of Mount Everest. Mount Everest त्यांना सर करायचा होता, त्यांना Mount Everestचा कळस गाठायचा होता. We reached the summit almost together, and they declared now they have reached the summit almost together. आणि त्यांनी दोघांनी एकत्रच हे कळस जे आहे एकत्र गाठलेलं आहे. वी रिच्ड आणि ते पोहोचले. द समिट ऑलमोस्ट टुगेदर एकत्रच ते पोहोचले. वी एम्ब्रेस्ड each other overjoyed at our success, and they were very happy, overjoyed, they were very happy, they were very delightful that they have completed their mission, they have completed their expedition, and so they embraced, they hugged each other, त्यांनी एकमेकांना मिठी मारली. They were very happy at that moment, they were very delightful. Then I took photograph of Tenzing holding aloft high, aloft means high up, Tenzing holding aloft the flags of Great Britain, Nepal, the United Nations and India. And Tenzing Norgay had 4 flags: Great Britain, Nepal, United Nations and India. And he took the photograph, Edmund Hillary took the photograph, and this is the copy of Edmund P. Hillary. Thus we will not take part any controversy, and they did not involve in any controversy. So as the statement says, Hillary and I embraced means hugged when we reached the top. When they climbed up on the top of the Mount Everest, there was no controversy between them. And there was the first thought of Tenzing Norgay. My first thought on reaching the top was a sense of gratitude to God, and he felt very happy, and he was thankful to God. A sense of gratitude, कृतज्ञतेचे जाणीव त्याला झाली आणि त्याने देवाला धन्यवाद मानले. He was thankful to God that after having failed 6 times, and this is the inspirational lesson. So this is an expedition, and Tenzing Norgay had declared that he had failed 6 times in this attempt. हा प्रयत्न करत असताना, माउंट एव्हरेस्ट सर करत असताना तो 6 वेळा अपयशी झालेला आहे. हॅव्हिंग फेल्ड म्हणजे अपयशी झाल्यानंतर हॅव्हिंग फेल्ड 6 टाइम्स, अँड ही वॉज व्हेरी थँकफुल टू गॉड, अँड ही एक्सप्रेस्ड अ सेन्स ऑफ ग्रॅटिट्यूड टू गॉड. आणि जाहीर त्यांनी देवाचे आभार मानले. ही हॅड ब्लेस्ड मी, ही थॉट दॅट गॉड हॅड ब्लेस्ड हिम विथ फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ दिस डिझायर आय हॅड हेल्ड सो लॉंग. आणि त्याच्या मनामध्ये असलेली जी सुप्त इच्छा होती त्याची पूर्ण झालेली आहे. He had completed his task and his desire was fulfilled. आणि त्याची इच्छा पूर्ण झाली आहे. I placed on the summit the offerings to God, and he had offered something to the God that I had carried with me. He had carried some offering for the God. देवासाठी त्याने काही गोष्टी आणलेल्या होत्या, and he offered it to the God. आणि देवाला त्यांनी त्या वाहिल्या. This is in accord with my religion. According to his religion, he had some goods, he had some offerings for the God. Both my wife and I are Buddhist. Tenzing Norgay and his wife both were the Buddhist. ते दोघी जण बुद्धिस्ट होते. I could not kneel because of my clothes and equipment, but he could not kneel. He could not kneel. तो आपले दोन्ही गुडघे टेकून देवाला नमस्कार करू शकला नाही. Because there was a luggage on it, there was equipment, there was a clothes, and he could not kneel down. आणि तो देवाला नमस्कार वाकून करू शकला नाही किंवा गुडघ्यावरती नमस्कार करू शकला नाही. बट आय ऑफर्ड अ सायलेंट प्रेयर इन माय हार्ट. बट ही ऑफर्ड अ प्रेयर टू द गॉड, अँड इट वॉज अ सायलेंट प्रेयर. आणि मनातल्या मनात त्याने देवाला प्रार्थना केली. द ऑफरिंग्स वेर बिस्किट्स, कॅन्डी अँड अ लिटिल ब्ल्यू पेन्सिल. द ऑफरिंग्स वेर बिस्किट्स, कॅन्डी अँड लिटिल ब्ल्यू पेन्सिल. एक छोटीशी पेन्सिल, कॅन्डी आणि बिस्किट्स त्याने देवाला वाहिल्या. My youngest daughter Nima, his youngest daughter Nima had given me the pencil before I left home, and before leaving the home, his youngest daughter, त्यांची जी सर्वात लहान मुलगी आहे नीमा, she had given him the pencil. It was blue color. She asked me to put it on the top of the mountain as her offering, and as her offering, it was the offering of the Nima. The pencil was the offering of the Nima, and he told his father that whenever he will reach on the mountain, Mount Everest, then he will offer her pencil to the God. Then I got out the flags which I had on a piece of string about 4 feet long, and he had a string, त्याच्याजवळ एक दोरी आहे, he had a string about 4 feet long. Then I got out the flags, त्याने flags बाहेर काढले, all the flags he had got out. I had on a piece of string, आणि त्याने त्या दोरीला बांधले. I fastened one end to my ice axe and Hillary took the pictures as I held it up. आणि ते चारही फ्लॅग त्याने पकडले आणि हिलरीने त्याचे फोटोग्राफ घेतलेले आहे. हिलरी took the photographs of Tenzing Norway with 4 flags. I was very thirsty. After the completion of the mission, after the completion of the expedition, he was very thirsty. आणि त्याला खूप तहान लागलेली होती. I took out a water tumbler for a drink, but found the water in the metal container had frozen, so I could not quench my thirst. Quench म्हणजे तहान भागविणे. Quench my thirst, thirst म्हणजे तहान. He could not quench his thirst because he had a metal container, but the water in that container had frozen. त्या वॉटर कंटेनर मध्ये जे पाणी आहे, मेटल कंटेनर त्याच्याकडे होतं. इट्स वॉज अ वॉटर मेटल कंटेनर, बट द वॉटर वॉज फ्रोजन, आणि ते पाणी जे आहे ते गोठलेलं होतं. I ate some biscuits and offered some to Hillary, and he did not get water there. त्याला तिथे पाणी प्यायला मिळालेलं नाही. आणि he ate some biscuits and he offered some biscuit to his friend Edmund Hillary, आणि त्याच्या मित्राला त्याने काही बिस्किट दिले. I was wearing a red scarf which my great friend Lambert, आणि त्याने रेड स्कार्फ, लाल स्कार्फ त्याने स्वतः इथे वापरलेला होता, त्याने घेतलेला होता. इट वॉज गिव्हन बाय हिज फ्रेंड लॅम्बर्ट, लॅम्बर्ट नावाच्या मित्रांनी, ज्याचं एक्सपिडिशन जे आहे 1952 मध्ये त्यांचं एक्सपिडिशन होतं. लीडर ऑफ द 1952 स्विस एक्सपिडिशन, स्विस मोहिमेवरती असताना 1952 मध्ये त्या मित्राने, लॅम्बर्ट नावाच्या मित्राने त्याला तो स्कार्फ दिलेला होता. हॅड गिव्हन मी लास्ट इयर. इट वॉज जस्ट अ इयर एगो, एक वर्षाच्या आधीची गोष्ट होती. ऑन May 28th, when we were standing at 28,215 feet, आणि 28,215 फुटावरती ते चढलेले होते. आणि त्यावेळी लॅम्बर्ट नावाच्या मित्राने त्याला तो स्कार्फ दिलेला होता. दॅट ही गेव मी द स्कार्फ. इन दिस वे he used it, the same scarf of his friend. I wore it all the way up the mountain from Darjeeling. And he wore, आणि तो परिधान केलेला होता, त्याने तो वापरलेला होता. I wore it all the way up to the mountain from Darjeeling. दार्जिलिंग पासून त्याने तो स्कार्फ आहे तो वापरला. Below all the hills and mountains look like gods and the goddesses to me. And when he looked at the hills and mountains and he thought that it was like gods and goddesses. देवदेवताप्रमाणे त्याला सगळे टेकड्या आणि पर्वत दिसले. Because he was at the top of the Mount Everest. I must say that the climb down was more difficult and dangerous than the climb up. He thinks that climbing up is very easy, but it is very difficult to climb down, I must say. And he affirmedly said that the climb down was more difficult, climb down खाली उतरणं कठीण असतं, and dangerous, आणि अतिशय ते धोक्याचं असतं, than the climb up, चढण्यापेक्षा उतरणे हे धोक्याचं असतं. If you slip down while climbing down, आणि जर समजा उतरताना जर घसरला, you would go into कांगशुंग ग्लेशियर. ग्लेशियर म्हणजे हिमनदी. कांगशुंग ग्लेशियर मध्ये जर गेला तर तिथे अजिबातही तो माणूस दिसेनासा होऊन जाईल किंवा तो वाचूच शकत नाही. देअर वुड बी नो ट्रेस लेफ्ट ऑफ यू अँड यू विल नो मोर. तुम्ही तिथे दिसणार नाही, तुम्ही जिवंत राहू शकणार नाही. इफ यू स्लिप डाऊन फ्रॉम द कांगशुंग ग्लेशियर. मोर कॉशन निडेड. आणि या ठिकाणी काही विशेष काळजी घ्यायची असते, ती काळजी सांगितलेली आहे. ऑफकोर्स इट टूक लेस टाइम क्लाइम्बिंग डाऊन. खाली उतरायला खूप कमी वेळ लागतो. बट यू निडेड मोर हुशियार. हुशियार हा शब्द हिंदी मधला शब्द आहे. आणि कॉशन त्याला इंग्लिशमध्ये म्हणतो आपण, सावधानी बाळगायला पाहिजे. दॅट इज कॉशन. कॉशन निडेड व्हाईल क्लाइम्बिंग डाऊन. यू मस्ट टेक कॉशन. यू मस्ट टेक केअर. When I reached Camp 9, my first thought was, आणि तो जेव्हा कॅम्प 9 वरती पोहोचला त्याच्या मनात आलेला पहिला विचार होता, थँक गॉड वी हॅव बीन स्पेअर्ड अन इन्सिडेंट ॲक्सिडेंट, कोणताही तिथे इन्सिडेंट झालेला नाही, कोणती घटना घडली नाही, कोणताही अपघात घडलेला नाही. थँक गॉड ही was thankful to God. Thank God we have been spared an accident. And if up to now there have been no accidents आणि त्यांचा कुठल्याही प्रकारे अपघात झालेला नव्हता. It was a perilous journey. It was a very dangerous journey. अतिशय धोक्याचा हा प्रवास होता. I hope there will be none in future. जर एखादा ॲक्सिडेंट जर झाला असता, अपघात झाला असता, there will be none in future, कोणीही भविष्यामध्ये शिल्लक राहिलं नसतं. I had always prayed to God and he had saved me, and on that journey, on that perilous journey, on that dangerous journey, he prayed to God, आणि त्यांनी त्याची देवाची प्रार्थना केलेली होती. He had saved me and God had saved him. देवाने त्याला वाचवलेलं होतं. From camp 9 to camp 8 where we spent the night, and they spent in between camp 9 and camp 8 was an easier job, and it was a very easier job to spend the night there. Just above camp 8 where others could see us. आणि जेव्हा ते कॅम्प 8 वरती आलेले आहेत, कॅम्प 8 वरती आल्यानंतर ते लोकांना दिसू शकत होते. आय रेज माय आर्म विथ माय थंब अप, आणि त्याने आपला थंब जो आहे वर केला, अंगठा जो आहे तो वर केला, आणि त्याने चीअर अप केला. ही चीअर्ड अप द पीपल. आय रेज माय आर्म, त्याने हात वर केला, विथ माय थंब अप, अँड ही वॉज चीरिंग द पीपल बाय वेविंग द hands in the air. CWF Noyes and WG Lou saw us, आणि या दोन व्यक्तींनी त्याला पाहिलं. Noyes and Lou saw us and their faces flushed with joy and they were very happy. Noyes and Lou, both of them were very happy. They were very joyful when they saw Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. Lou came to meet us and came up to about 300 feet with the tea and coffee, and Lou also offered them tea and coffee, and he came up about 300 फूट, तो 300 फूट वर आला, चढला, आणि त्याने चहा आणि कॉफी तेंजिंग नॉर्गे आणि एडमंड हिलरीला दिली. Another 50 feet down we met Noyes. त्यानंतर 50 फूट खाली ते उतरले, त्यांना नॉईस ही व्यक्ती भेटली. वी मेट नॉईस हू ब्रॉट अस मोर टी, आणि त्याने पुन्हा आणखी चहा आणलेला होता. दिस टी स्मेल केरोसिन अँड देर वॉज अ स्मेल ऑफ केरोसिन इन दॅट टी. द जेंटलमॅन हॅड टेकन सो मच ट्रबल टू ब्रिंग इट. ही थॉट दॅट, तेंजिंग नॉर्गे थॉट दॅट जेंटलमॅन मीन्स नॉईस हॅड टेकन सो मच ट्रबल टू ब्रिंग इट. त्याने तो चहा तिथे घेऊन आलेला होता, जरी त्याला केरोसिनचा वास येत होता. आय वॉज गोइंग टू एन्जॉय अँड ही डिसाइडेड टू एन्जॉय इट. ही डिसाइडेड टू ड्रिंक the tea. He decided to enjoy the tea. Eat whatever the smell. He did not care about the smell. He did not think about the smell. In this way, we have seen that this was perilous journey. This was a very dangerous journey. And Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary have completed their mission, have completed their expedition. So, this lesson gives us inspiration that we should not think negatively. We should be positive while thinking. So if you want to accomplish your goal, we must not be narrow minded. We must think it positively. आपण सर्व गोष्टी सकारात्मक पद्धतीने जर घेतल्या तर we can win. आपण जिंकू शकतो. We can be victorious. आपला विजय होऊ शकतो. So in this way we have seen on to the summit, we reach the top. This lesson is inspiring at all point. सर्वच बाबतीत जर विचार केला तर हा प्रेरणादायी हा एक पाठ आहे. So students, you should learn lesson from this lesson and you should behave in the same way. So thank you for watching the video.